Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture we'll discuss selection of fire extinguishers. After the end of this lecture you would be able to understand how to choose right fire extinguisher. So let's start. So now first of all here how to prepare for different classes of fire. So which type of extinguisher should I use? So this is your question. So already I have discussed the type of extinguisher is totally depends on the which type of hazard you have. Okay, so first of all you have to identify the classes of fire. Once you will get the class of fire, now based on that you have to select the appropriate fire extinguishers. So see, being ready for whatever fire danger involve three areas of focus. Equipping yourself with the right fire extinguisher for your corresponding fire classes, then committing to regular fire safety training and keeping all equipment in peak condition. So now see, choose the right extinguisher. Here you can see the different type of fire extinguisher exist in order to address the 5 different classes of fire, as I already discussed in detail about this. If you see, here the class A fire is given. As you know that class A fire are fueled by solid combustible material such as wood, paper, cloth, etc. So the fuel type is given, freely burning combustible. How to suppress? Water. Best water extinguisher is best suited for class A fire, and the fire extinguisher type. You can use ABC or powder type of extinguisher, even the water mist, foam. So these are the different types of fire extinguisher which you can use to tackle class A fire. Okay. Same way next, if you have a class B fire, and you know that class B fire are fueled by flammable liquids. Okay. So to tackle this type of fire, means to extinguish class B fire, ABC or powder, even CO2, water mist, clean agent extinguishers you need to use. Class C fire, let's say if it is a electrical fire, so see here the types of extinguisher is given. If it is a class D fire, means if there is a fire in solid combustible metal, so see powder is recommended. Dry powder fire extinguisher is recommended here. Okay. For class K fire, see wet chemical or water mist fire extinguisher is needed. Okay. Now here also it is given, see if it is a class A fire where we can use the water extinguishing agent. So water extinguishing agent is best suited to extinguish class A fire. Okay. Only it is best suited for class A fire. See, for class B, class C it is given wrong. No need to use the water to tackle this classes of fire. Okay, only it is suited for to extinguish class A fire. Correct. Now foam normally we can use for class A or class B fire. Same way dry powder is recommended to use in class A, B, C, D, E. But for class F fire, no need to use the dry powder. Even if you see the CO2 is given for class B fire or for class E, if it is an electric fire or if there is a fire in flammable liquid, so you can go for the CO2 fire extinguisher. Wet chemical is recommended for class A or class F fire. Okay. So in this way you have to choose the right extinguisher. Okay. Now the topics which we have covered here, we have discussed in detail about how to choose the right fire extinguisher. Hope all of you enjoy this session. See you in next one.